niggas know the cash rules. Come through, blast tools, send shots, spreading through your town like bad news. Him low is the forerunner, the horse stunner with more gunners. Pelly nigga with more butters. And you can rest assured, I'm having sex with whores overseas, chilling on the beach. Out in Ecuador, flying in a magic carpet. I pack the ratchet off it. I'm on point from long range when I clap a target. Really getting sick and tired of these faggots talking. They fall back and mellow out once I flash the market. The sorcerer, put you in a coffin, bruh. It's him, Blizzle, the conductor of the orchestra. Slaughterer, brain torturer, the earth scorcherer. I listen to your shit and now I'm getting bored as fuck. My rhyme style is out the rubber room, and now I'm off the slide, thinking to your mother's womb.
We in the streets heavy, niggas tryna stay on their feet. We incomplete until we set the cheap berries. I'm at the podium prepared with a speech ready, keeping it rock solid, hold it down the concrete steady. Bionic green is in the duffel bag, digital calculations for grams you flagged on a hustle pass. Acting like you can't count and I'ma bust your ass. Automatically back from letting off a couple mags. And don't be trying to cut the corners on a wholesale. Niggas cross town who bought work towards a coattail. Look, I run these blocks and I can coach well. We in the Hall of Fame for incredible coat sales. Keep the money folded with the faces up. Every now and then I waste them when I place them on a naked butt. And you got 2 weeks to pay me, I'ma say it once. Or I'ma fillet you and flame you while you making lunch.
Nobody moving, then nobody getting hurt. But if you come around this turf, then guaranteed the guns are spurt. Listen, this Driz Low, aka the Bronco. Yo, BKA the Barnyard Bully. Strong arm fully. Polo sweats with the low hoodie. I stay readily equipped when it's time to boogie. Display patience, this game ripe for the taking. True cannon, like Troy Aikman, destroy nations. Driz an enigma with the stigma of the boogeyman. In your nightmares, black hoodie, taking your goodies, fam. Quiet assassin, attacking orderly fashion. Move pivots, ridiculous, catch me somewhere in traffic. Bundle up, nigga, about to be a cold winter. And I'm spitting snow showers 5 inches every hour. And I won't relinquish my power. Fake rappers I devour. Son, I'm doper than Colombian lines of powder.